What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Spirit Halloween Cotton Candy Dan. Alright guys, this is absolutely really cool. Spirit dropped their lineup a little bit ago. Not their entire thing, like 5 or 6 props, and I just decided to get this guy. I didn't pick up any other ones just because there's a lot of other Spirit props that I want, and like more than all the others. And I mean, there's some other cool ones that they dropped, but definitely this was the one that I wanted to get on the drop. Alright guys, so we have in the box, the first thing you see is a bunch of everything else. Kind of everything in there. You can see except the head and all that. So guys, right in this little bag we have the adapter and the instructions. I probably will be using the instructions today just because I haven't seen any unboxing of this guy. I'm one of the first people to get this. So yeah, nobody really has this yet, and nobody's posted a video yet. So definitely going to be using the instructions. Right here we have the clothing, or the pants right here. Nothing really special, kind of what I'd expect. I mean, the outside of the clothing is pretty good quality, and the inside is also pretty good quality too. So like, I don't know, Spirit usually has some pretty good clothing. So also, if you guys didn't know yet, this guy is made by Techie. So yeah, that's probably why he has such a cool mechanism. Right here we just have the kind of torso area and hip area with the control box also. Right here we have his face. Very creepy face, actually. One eye is here and the other eye is just not there. There's no eye on the other side. Just like, I don't know, it looks like his eye got ripped out. I believe this eye lights up, and then he does have mouth movement, which is pretty cool. Right here we have some snap lock piece, which looks like it goes to the pole that kind of like makes his thing move around, his cotton candy. Right here we have his shoes, which are very good quality, and they are left and right, which is interesting. Maybe I'll use this as the thumbnail one. Yeah, I'll use the head and the cotton candy as the thumbnail instead of the actual head. Yeah, definitely slimy. All Techie mechanisms are. But yeah, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Alright guys, just got him set up. Let's plug him in now.
Attention all kiddos! Attention all kiddos! I found a lost parent! He belongs to anyone here! Better be careful walking around at this place. You can get in all kinds of sticky situations here. Yum, yum, yum! Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's not. One thing I'll tell you though, it'll do more than rot your teeth out. Get your cotton candy here. We've added some new ingredients.
All right, guys, so that was Cotton Candy Dan. This guy is an absolutely awesome animatronic. His head down there in the cotton candy pops up a lot faster than I thought it would, so it's definitely going to get some good scares. Just make sure, here's something for him, definitely leave that head in the up position out of the cotton candy. I know it'll look better in the yard, so people won't know if you leave it in the down position, but that is going to wear out the spring so fast where he will not pop up fast at all, and then he definitely won't scare people. So pick your poison. Would you rather him break faster with the head down and people not know, or keep it up until you start using him and he'll work for a lot longer? This guy's price is $330, which is, I'll admit, that's quite a lot for this guy in my opinion. I wouldn't say he's not worth it, but I'd say definitely use that 20% off coupon. That'll bring him down to about $260, which if you want this guy, I think $260 would definitely be worth it. I mean, he's got all that animation. He's got the mouth moving, the cool face, the cool face down there. And then he also has those two animations where he actually stirs it and then the thing pops up. So definitely, if you want him, $260 is definitely worth it, but I would not pay $330. Just in my opinion, I don't do that. But yeah. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to buy this guy. I will also leave a link for my merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.